Once upon a time, there lived a boy in Portugal. His heart dreamed of being a sailor and sailing all the seas, no two men. But his family expected different things from him. They wanted him to be successful and not to waste his life on the sea, which they thought to be meaningless. One day, his father called him to his office. The boy made the decision to flee after hearing his father say, "You're not old enough to make your own decisions, so we have to make them for you, and you are going to the college." He went to the port and boarded the ship Coverall. He had read extensively about ships despite never having been on one. The ship began to sail away with him hiding inside of it. He fell asleep while he was hiding. When he opened his eyes, he was at the sea. His presence was quickly welcomed by the crew, and he joined theirs as a sailor. The young man traveled through many nations, including Estonia, Italy, and England. Everywhere he went, he made lots of friends and encountered many different cultures. One day, a girl joined the crew as a co-captain. The boy fell in love with her the moment he laid eyes on her. One night, they were together just cruising through the sea when they saw a ship sinking. They tried to help everyone, but one person drowned and died. The rest of the crew joined them, and they lived a lot of adventures. The boy and the girl fell in love. They got married, had 2 kids and a cow named Milka, and lived happily ever after.